Hello, my video game enthusiasts. I am Aqua Totodile, and today I brought more stuff for the Switch, but this time is some of the accessories for it. So today I bought a traveling case, which hit this one, and this little case right here. So whenever I need to go somewhere, I just need to bring my little traveling case with me. I thought to get one, to get a case for it, whenever I go out somewhere. And well, they have a bunch of stuff in there, like the Super Mario Odyssey case and the Legend of Zelda Breath of the Wild. But I decided to get this one because it will match with my Switch because it's black, and the others were just all plain black, and the others were the rest, like Super Mario Odyssey case and Legend of Zelda case. So, and this one right here. So I just bought this one so I just don't have to use the little stand behind the Switch. So I never. Mostly it looks like it's meant for a tablet, but still. Let's open it, shall we? Let's see how this one works because I never used one before. And look, oh, give us a little rat too. That's nice, neat, and some screen protectors. So I don't think I'll be needing those for a while, but they give me a nice cloth too. That's not bad. So let's see. We got this, the hybrid cover, this little guy. And I guess basically that's it. Mostly the styrofoam, and I wonder if it will fit on the dock. So if it fits on the dock, I will probably just keep it on for forever. Let's move on to this because I like this one. I'm gonna see if I can try to put this on the dock today. If not, I just have to take it out. So let's move this aside. Let's open this. Hold on. There we go. This little traveling case, Nintendo Switch. They also had like the one of those little deluxe things, so you get put the Switch, the Joy-Cons, and the dock and charger in it. But that cost me $43, so I ain't paying that. This one cost me $18, so I'm gonna see how big it is and see if it will hold just the Switch and plus a few games I bought. Don't need this, more styrofoam, and hey, wait, hold on. Ah, sweet. We got these two little case. These little case will hold the games inside. Hold on. I think that's for this. It's a micro SD card. I'm not sure. So yeah, apparently we got more. So let's see. I got the two games right here. Is Legend of Zelda Breath of the Wild and Mario plus Rabbids Kingdom Battle. I guess I need those case in there. Oh, they fit perfectly in here, but I'm not sure if those things need it. What do you know? It fit perfectly. Ta-da! And I don't know what these are for. And I'm pretty sure this from the game Switch. So if I can open it up. Let's see. I'm pretty sure that's for the micro SD card. So yeah, it is. That's for the micro SD card. So these two are just for the placeholders. Now then we're just gonna put this in here. Put this in here. I don't know how the Switch will fit in here, but still. And it fits perfectly right here. I don't know. That's too surprising for an opening, but still. let's see. Let me look at the back of the box because I tore it in half. I guess the two Joy-Cons should be somewhere up here, and the games should be in the pouch. Unless I put the Joy-Cons in the pouch. But enough of that. I just put this one here, put the box right there, and let's get the switches out so we can put it in the dock. So, enter sleep mode. Oh, thank you. Let's see. Oh, crap. Wait, how'd you get it in here? Oh yeah, let us just take the Joy-Cons out. And maybe it'll just slide it in. I don't know if I could get this right, so I think it goes like this. No, maybe not the wrong way. Well, anyways, I'll guess I'll have to figure it out later. So, if you guys really enjoyed this, why not hit the thumbs up? Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you want more content, and make sure you check out my main channel too, because I'm almost up with 200 subscribers. So I guess I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.